Okay. Line joining two faces is called edge. Line joining three faces is corner. This is a corner. Okay. So how many corners are there in total? 1. On the top it is 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Yes or no? Similarly, bottom also another 4. These 4 are another 4 corners. Total there are how many corners?
8 corners, sir.
8 corners. How many edges?
Sir, 12 edges.
12 edges, correct. So on the top it is 1, 2, 3, then 4. In the bottom also same, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And lines joining top and bottom, 1, vertical lines, 2, 3, and then 4.
4.
So total
We are drawing
12
3
edges. 12 edges. Okay, total topic depends on these 3 points only. So try to memorize these 3 points. Total topic based on these 3 points only. So tell me once again, a cube has how many faces?
So 6 faces, 12
6 faces,
edges,
12 edges, 8
12
corners.
edges and 8 corners. Okay. What is a face? Face is okay. What is a corner?
Yeah.
Dots.
A
When
corner is the
the
place
both
where
lines
3
are
edges meet together.
joining in and meet
Corner
together.
is the place where 3 edges join, or where 3 faces connect each other. Or we can say it's a vertex also, correct? We can also say
Yes,
that corner, we can also say it's a vertex also. Vertex, and this is edge,
Vertex.
and this is face. Yes. Next, tell me, if you cut a cube, suppose I'm cutting in this way, here, this one, and this one. If you cut a cube, the resultant pieces are cubes only.
No, sir.
What is the condition for a cube? Cube ki condition in actually. What is the condition for a cube?
So all sides should be of equal measure.
Yes, all the sides should be equal. All the faces, all the sides should be equal. Yes or no? Suppose if we call this as a length, and if we call this as a width, and if we call this as height, so length is equal to breadth or width, both are same. Breadth is equal to height. If this is the case, then we can call it as a cube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if we cut this cube into half, then it will be not, the resultant pieces are not cubes. So then we call them as
Cuboid.
So we call them as cuboids. 2 cuboids.
How many cuboids will be there?
So 2 cuboids.
2 cuboids.
So with one cutting will form 2 cuboids. With one cutting will form 2 cuboids. What is the condition for a cuboid? All the sides are not equal. Maybe 2 sides are equal, but the other side can be different. Suppose if we take this side is of 1 centimeter, this side is of 1 centimeter, this side is of 1 centimeter. So 2 sides are not disturbed. That's why 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. They will remain same. 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter only. So what will be the third side?
0.5 centimeter.
So 0.5 centimeter only. So now all the sides are equal or unequal?
So 2 sides are equal, whereas another side is not equal.
Here my question is, all the sides are equal?
No.
Not equal
No,
means
sir.
it's a cuboid. Okay, even 2 sides are equal also. If all the sides are equal, then we have to call it as cube. Otherwise, it's a cuboid. Okay. Now tell me, how many times minimum how many times we have to cut a cube such that resultant pieces also cubes?
3 times.
So minimum 3 times.
Minimum 3 times. So how? Can you explain?
We can cut the length into half, like, and breadth into half and height into half, which will form
very good.
perfect cubes again.
So
Very
all
good.
3
Very good.
dimensions you have to cut by half.
Yes, very good. Correct. So that is a minimum number or maximum?
So that's a minimum number.
Minimum number. So suppose if I cut this, so vertically, sorry. Okay. So this one cutting. The same vertically, this one, second cutting, and now horizontally. So 1. Yes or no? So this is the minimum number of cuttings. So minimum number of cuttings, required required on a cube such that a resultant pieces also cubes is 3. Yes or no? So other than minimum, can you tell any other number?
Sir, 6.
6. Yes.
Sir,
Suppose-
multiples of
3.
3.
Yes, very good. If I cut lengthwise 2 cuttings, compulsory widthwise also, breadthwise also 2 cuttings, heightwise also 2 cuttings. Yes or no? If I cut along the length, if I cut 3 times, so breadthwise also it should be 3 times only, heightwise also it should be 3 times only. So
Yes, sir.
overall we can say, suppose here I have mentioned minimum, that's why it is 3. Suppose if I have not mentioned minimum, suppose if the question is, if the point is from here, number of cuttings required on a cube such that resultant pieces also cubes, we can call it as, we can take this as
Multiples of 3.
3n. Yes or no? Where n is the number of cuttings.
Yes. Sir.
Yes. Yeah. First multiple of 3 is 3. Second multiple of 3 is 6. Next multiple is 9, and so on. So minimum number is 3. Yes.
So we can cut it for 2 times.
Yeah, we can cut 2 times also.
Yes.
But if you cut lengthwise 2 times, widthwise also 2 times, and it should be heightwise also 2 times only. Then only we can form cubes. Otherwise, you will form cuboids.
Okay. Sir.
Then, okay, let us take one diagram. Here, don't consider these colors. Ignore those colors. We'll color them later. Okay, now see. Here, how many cuttings are there along each side?
3, sir.
Suppose better, rather than taking this bigger question first, we'll do small question first. Okay, here I'm drawing. Okay, let us cut this cube. On every side, let us cut 2 times.
Solid cube.
Sorry?
Solid cube. Means your inner
What, Shreyan?
It's actually 6 spaces necessary for a cube as your inner one more face another time.
This is a solid dice.
Okay. Okay.
You cannot see all the 6 faces at a time.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, then 1, then 2, then 3 cuttings. 3 cuttings means it is okay, I think. First one. How many cuttings are there on the first diagram? 3 cuttings only. Okay.
The 3 cuttings are there.
Okay. Let us proceed with this diagram only. Now see, here from here onwards, our discussion is about smaller cubes only.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. So here my question is, total number of smaller cubes are? Yes.
So 64.
64. Okay. Any other answer? If you want, I'll give options: 64, 48, 24, and 27.
Sir, any kind of cube is possible, right?
Check once again. Verify once again, Mohit.
Okay, sir.
How many smaller cubes of? Okay. My question is, how many smaller cubes of equal volumes? Smaller cubes of equal volumes, not different volumes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So it's 64. So I think
64, sir.
Yes, it is very good. 64 is the right answer. Correct. So first
what?
question is,
Sir, I say 64. 64, sir.
64 only. How you got this 64?
So 4 into 4 into
Because
4.
4 into 4 into 4 into 4.
Okay, right.
So
So
4 cubes
suppose
on-
if we count from right to left, can I say this is one layer? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the second layer. This is the third layer, and this is the last layer. So in every layer there are how many cubes are there?
16 cubes.
2, 3, 4, and this side also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fours are 16. So in every layer there are 16 cubes, and there are 4 layers in total. Total 64 cubes are there in total. Yes, and instead of taking in this way, you said what you said is better. 4 into 4 into 4. How is that 4 into 4 into 4?
So 4 cubes as the length, 4 cubes as the breadth, and 4 cubes as the height.
Yes,
Yes, sir. 4
that's,
into 4 for
actually
one
that's the
face and,
volume of cube, correct?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
4
sir.
into 4 for one face and rest for the other 4 faces together.
Yes, correct. Volume of a cube equal to that's a cube actually. Suppose if I take it is a cuboid, length into breadth into height. So lengthwise, how many pieces are there? 4 pieces. Breadthwise,
4, sir.
4 pieces. Height-wise also 4
4.
Four,
pieces.
sir.
That's why 4 into 4 into 4. That's it. That is 4 cube. 4 cube, nothing but 64. Yes. The second question is, how many corner cubes are there?
So 8.
Yes. How many corner cubes are there? All of you.
8, sir.
8 only. So because there are 1, 2, 3 cuttings, that's why you are saying 8. Suppose if there are 4 cuttings, then how many corner cubes will be there?
So then also 8.
Sir, 8.
If there are n cuttings,
So 8.
Still 8, sir.
Because there are
Yes.
8 corners, so 8 corner cubes.
yeah, what may vary depending upon the number of cuttings? What may vary?
Number of
So
smaller
the
cubes.
volume and like the size of the
Very
cube
good. Excellent.
and
So
Excellent.
only
Excellent.
the size.
the
Yes.
size
Yes,
and the
very
volume
good.
of the cube. That's it.
Yes, correct. Suppose if we cut this cube, if you cut this stick, okay, green color stick is there. If you cut this stick here, if I cut this, how many cubes are there? So means how many sticks are there?
2.
2. Now how many sticks
So,
are there?
3.
Now how many sticks are there?
4.
Okay, in 1 second. Okay. Now how many sticks are there?
1.
1.
Now how many end sticks are there? End pieces are there?
4.
So 4.
No. Here, see,
So 2.
2 only. Here, how many end pieces are there?
2.
Now how many end pieces?
2.
Yeah, always it is 2 only. What is varying in means only size is varying. But in this corner, this is 1, and in this edge, 1 cube, and in this edge, 1 cube. Same. Along this corner, 1 cube, and along this corner, 1 cube, and in every corner there will be 1 cube. So depending upon the number of cuttings, the size may vary, but number will not change.
So,
Okay.
so for the stick example, like only the side facing outside is the corner, right?
Yes, correct. Facing outside means we'll see total picture. For the total picture, how many corner cubes are there? So which is placed at the end, which is placed in the corner. So circled here, purple color circled cubes are there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Okay then. Next, how many edge cubes are there? Excluding corner cubes, how many edge cubes are there?
So 48.
So
How many
48,
edge
sir.
cubes are there?
No, sir, 44.
48.
Yes, sir.
Excluding corner cubes.
Yes, sir.
48.
48.
48
Oh,
only.
excluding
40, sir,
corner cubes,
40.
so that's 40.
40 only.
So 48, sir. 18 to 6. 48.
Okay. Let us take one edge. Suppose this is the edge. How many cubes are there along this edge?
Okay, sir.
4
Then
cubes.
that counts as
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes are there. But in these 4 cubes, already 2 cubes are considered in case of corner cubes. And how many cubes are purely belonging to this edge?
2.
So 2 cubes.
2 cubes only.
2 cubes.
So there are 2 cubes on each edge. Total, how many edges are there?
So
4
12.
cubes.
12 edges are there. Total, how many edge cubes will be there?
24.
So
24.
24.
24. Okay.
24.
24. Okay. Next question is, how many face cubes are there? How many face cubes excluding corner cubes and edge cubes?
So that's 6 into 4, sir.
So 24.
So 24.
24 again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 24.
Yeah, let me verify. Suppose this is
Yes,
the
sir,
face.
24.
This is the face. In this face, already considered cubes are, these 4 corners are already considered. And the remaining, these two, and these two are already considered in case of edge cubes. And purely belonging to this face is these 4, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So there are only 4 cubes on each face, and totally there are 6 faces. So total 6 into 4 is 24.
24.
20.
24 face cubes are there. And then okay, let me color this what we call this color to let me color this total cube. Okay, shall we color this cube?
Yeah, of course, sir. Yes, sir. But I did not understand this H cube. So you got 24, sir.
Which one? Face cubes?
H cube. It is easy, sir. H cube.
Edge cubes. Okay. Suppose. Let me explain on this edge. See this edge.
Okay.
So on this edge, how many cubes are there? 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3, 4. In that
But
4,
out of
we
those
know that
4,
corners.
2 are already considered in corners.
Yes, sir.
Now purely belonging to this edge are, how many cubes are there?
2
2. Total how many edges?
edges. 8.
No.
12.
I asked you in the first screening only. See this.
Yes, yes, 12 edges.
Faces, 12 edges, and
12 edges, 8. That one confusion.
कितना है मुझे केक का क्या अच्छा ये लिखा ना
12 into 2. Okay, sir. Understood.
okay.
Sir, understood. Sir.
All right. Let me color this cube. Let us take one separate cube. Okay, here I'm writing. Okay, I'm cutting again the same. 1, 2, 3. 3 times cut. 1, 2, and then 3. Similarly, 1, 2, 3. And one more, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I forgot to say one point. Before cutting this cube, we have colored this cube. This total cube is colored. Okay. A fully painted cube. I'm mentioning it as a fully painted cube. Okay. All of you, are you there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A fully painted cube. A fully painted cube is cut into, or otherwise a fully painted cube is cut three times on each edge. Okay, 3 times on each edge, on each side. Otherwise 3 times on each side. Okay, now tell me, first question, how many pieces are there on every side? Number of cubes on each side.
Each face or side?
Side or face, both are side.
Okay.
Side means this one along the edge. Consider me edge on each side. Okay. Means edge.
Okay,
Right.
sir. So 4.
So it's 4, correct. 4. And remember this point, with the 3 cuttings will form how many pieces?
4 pieces.
4 pieces. 2 cuttings will form
3 pieces.
3 pieces.
3 pieces. N cuttings will form
N plus 1 piece.
And
N
one
minus
piece,
1
sir.
pieces. N minus 1 cuttings form
N number of pieces.
N
number of
pieces,
pieces.
sir.
So many people will confuse with this terminology. So he's mentioning about it, number of cuttings or number of pieces. We should be very clear with that. Here the diagram is given, that's why it is okay. But he will not give the diagram sometimes. Okay, second question here is total number of smaller cubes are.
So 64.
16, sir. 64.
Yeah, the same answer
64.
again, because on every side there are 4 pieces.
4 pieces.
Lengthwise
4 into
4,
4 into 4.
154, height-wise, width-wise 4, height-wise 4. That's why 4 fours are, sorry, 4 cube is 64. Okay, here the third question is, number of cubes which are painted on 6 faces is?
So 0.
0. Sir, only
Yeah.
3 faces. Sir.
Number of cubes painted on 6 faces is?
0, sir.
0. Okay, it is,
Zero.
our discussion is about smaller cubes, that's why it is 0. If it is a bigger cube, there will be 1 cube, which is a bigger cube
What?
without cutting, sir. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then 5 faces painted cubes are?
Sir, 0.
0, sir. Maximum
0,
is
sir.
0.
0. Sir, 0.
4 faces painted cubes are?
0, sir.
0, sir.
Yeah, overall it is 0. 4 faces painted or 5 faces painted or 6 faces painted will be 0.
Sir, 3 faces. Sir, 3 faces painted means
Yes, 3 faces painted cubes are?
So 8.
Yeah, how can you say this is 8?
So 8 corner cubes. So each corner cube is painted on 3 faces.
Yes, very good. 3 faces painted cubes are also called, 3 faces painted cubes are also called as corner cubes. Corner cubes. And this answer is a standard answer, yes or no? It is
Sir, 8
independent
how,
of,
sir? Sir, how is it 8, sir?
okay, see, if you consider this cube, this is painted 1, 2, 3, this corner cube. Okay, on every corner there will be one cube, correct?
Yes.
That's why 8. So it is possible to paint maximum of 3 faces only here. 4 faces or 5 faces or 6 faces, it is not possible. And remember this one, these two answers are standard. 6 faces or 5 faces or 4 faces painted cubes are 0, and 3 faces painted cubes are 8. It is independent of number of cuttings and number of pieces on every side. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right. Next, one more question is, number of cubes which are painted on 2 faces. 2 faces painted cubes are.
So
First, tell me the
24.
location where these
24, sir.
guys are.
Yeah,
Where
these are
these
the
cubes are
edge
available?
cubes.
The
Edge
edge
pieces.
cubes,
Edge cubes,
excluding
sir.
the
Edge
corners,
cubes.
are the
Yes,
two
correct.
faces.
Along the
Excluding
edge.
the corners on sides.
Along the edge, except excluding
Including the
corner
faces, the corner
Including
pieces.
corners.
corner
Excluding
cube.
corners. Along
So
the edge,
1 into
excluding
2?
corners. So
1
nothing
into
but
2?
we also call it as 2 faces painted cubes are also called as
Edge cubes.
edge cubes.
edge cubes.
Edge cubes. So how many cubes are there? Already we have done this. On each edge, how many pieces are
Like
there?
24.
Countable. 1, 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Total how many edges?
12
L
edges.
edges.
12
So
edges.
24.
12 twos are
24.
ready for the next question. Next question is one face painted cubes are. First, tell me the location where these cubes are available.
Sir, on
The face cubes in the between.
the face cubes, excluding the
Yes,
edges and the
in
corners.
the middle.
Along the face, but where they are available in the middle of the face. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, purely middle of the face are belonging to, are painted on one face only. So if we consider these 4, they are already painted on
3 sides.
these sides. If we consider these, they are already painted on
They're painted on 2 sides.
2 sides, and the remaining they are painted only on one face. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4. And how many cubes will be there? One face painted.
So 24.
24, sir.
4
And
on
one
each
face
24.
face.
painted cubes are also
4
called.
and
4 on each face. So 6 faces. So
4 and
4
6
into
into
6.
4 is equal
24.
to 24, sir.
Yes, correct. So 4 cubes on each face. There are 6 faces total. 6 fours are 24. Now,
Sir,
be
8.
ready.
Sir, one doubt, sir. If 3 faces painted means 8 we are taking, sir.
Yes.
Means I did not understand this corner cubes. I am not understanding, sir. Not able to understand.
Okay. See. Suppose if I paint this total cube, if I paint with one color.
Okay.
If I paint with one color, And this cube is painted on all how many faces? 1,
2.
2. Okay. This cube is painted on how many
2.
faces?
3.
3. Because it is in the corner, we can paint 3 faces. Yes or no? Total, how many corners are there? For this bigger cube, total, how many corners are there?
4, 5, 6, 7, 6.
Don't forget this
6,
count.
sir.
Again, you came to this point.
No,
only.
8, sir.
Yeah, 8
8,
corners.
sir. 8, sir. 8, sir. 8,
Huh.
sir. 8.
On every corner, how many cubes are there?
3.
1.
8 into
No. 3 sides. 3 sides of 1 cube only.
1. Okay, 1.
So on every
Okay.
corner, 1 cube. There are
Yes,
8
8
corners.
into
So
1 is
1 into 8 is 8. Don't consider these as 1, 2, 3. 1 to 3 are the face numbers. So they are faces of 1 cube only. Okay. Shayan.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Actually, it's this topic is better to explain offline. Yes or no? Because it's a 3-dimensional topic.
Right.
3-dimensional figure, we have to explain.
Yes, sir.
And if we know the Rubik's Cube means it's very easy.
If
I know,
you can-
sir. I know, sir. Rubik's Cube.
Okay, and one more thing is you have to visualize what I'm telling you. How to visualize it should come to your mind. It should rotate in your mind. The dice and the cubes should
Yes,
rotate.
sir.
in
Like
your
this, it
mind.
will be, sir. Like this.
Okay. Then
I get
the
it.
next question. Be ready for the next question. Here the question is: how many faces are no face painted cubes are?
So 8.
Actually, total here already mentioned. It's a fully painted cube. Yes or no? It's a
There will
fully
be
painted
0
cube.
faces then, right?
0 faces painted. Are they available or not available? First, tell me that point.
So they
It's
are
not
available.
available.
No,
Not
not
available.
available.
Available or not available?
Not available, sir.
every
Okay,
available.
not available is okay. Keep quiet now. Now now respond people who told available. Where they are available? Tell me that point.
So every cube is painted only on the outside. So
Yes.
if we take out the cubes which are painted in the inside, we can find the cubes which are not painted.
Exactly. Very good. Excellent. So Shreya, now got it. If you take out one by one, if you take out all the outer layer, then what about the inner cubes? They are not painted. Yes or no?
Okay, sir. By transparent means we can, sir. But to solid.
No. Transparent. It is not transparent. It is solid only, but it is cut already. You think
Okay.
like it's a Rubik cube.
Okay.
Like a Rubik cube. Actually, they are all smaller cubes, but they are connected each other.
Yes, sir.
So if you separate outside layer, outer layer, then inside will be there is no painted.
Yes, sir.
So how many smaller cubes will be there? How to get the small? Sorry. How many no painted cubes are there? How to get those cubes? We have already mentioned. We have to
Yes, sir.
separate. We have to separate outer layer to get inside cubes. Separate
Sir, I
outer
didn't
layer to
understand
get
this
these.
part.
Sorry.
Sir, like I didn't understand the outer layer, inner layer concept part.
Sorry. What is your doubt? Tell me again.
Sir, I didn't understand the outer layer, inner layer, that thing you're explaining there.
Inner layer.
Yes, sir, inner layer and outer layer.
Yes, sir. Even I
Okay.
didn't understand that.
Okay. See, I'm explaining on this. Suppose if you take out this layer, top layer, and if you separate, take out bottom layer also. Okay. Now separate right side layer. Now separate left side layer. Now separate top layer. Sorry, top is already over. Left, top, bottom is over. Left, right is over. Now front and back. Okay. Now separate the front layer. Now separate back layer. So after separating all these layers, are there any cubes are available or not available?
Yes, sir, the middle portion is available.
Yeah, that middle portion is not painted yet.
Sir, but it's painted on outside, right?
Outside is painted. That's why we are taking off that outside layer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, left side, left one layer, right one layer I'm removing. Next, top one layer, bottom one layer I'm removing. Next, front one layer, back one layer I'm removing. So after removing all these layers also compulsory you will have some more cubes, smaller cubes are there. So those cubes are not painted at all. Yes or no? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After removing all these layers, all these outer layers. So the inner cubes are not painted because we have painted first and then we cut the cube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why there is no paint at all for these cubes, inner cubes. Then how to get those inner cubes? Actually, this is a cube of how many faces? Sorry, how many cubes on each face? See, lengthwise, how many pieces are there?
25.
5.
The
Widthwise,
25 on each space.
widthwise, 5.
Five.
Height-wise also.
5.
5.
Okay, now tell me, if you remove, suppose this is left and right. If you remove left one layer, right one layer, how many layers are remaining here?
So 3.
3 layers are remaining. Suppose this is top and bottom. If you remove top one layer, bottom one layer, how many layers are remaining here?
So 3.
3
So
layers.
three.
And consider this as a front and back. If you remove front one layer, back one layer, how many layers are remaining now?
So 3.
3.
3 again. Now this cube consists of how many cubes? How many smaller cubes?
So 27.
27. Actually, we have cut the cube into 5 by 5 by 5. Means totally there are 125 cubes are there. 5 cube 125 cubes are there. But out of those 125 cubes, there will be 27 cubes which are not painted at all.
So sir, basically like whatever the height, length and breadth, you have to subtract 2 from them
one,
and
one.
then you have to get.
Means we have to
Yeah.
subtract 2.
Yes, sir.
On
So
each number
sir,
we have to
in the
subtract.
yes, sir. So sir, in the 2 into 2 cube, there will be 0 cubes not painted.
Yes, compulsory. There will be no cube which is not painted at all. Because it's a 2 by 2 by 2 cube. You mentioned this as a 2 by 2 by 2 cube, correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
actually, you can check this with any items like childrens will play with some what we call like a sponge type material. You can cut that into 2 by 2 by 2, and after that you can check. First, you can paint on each side. Okay, maybe you are having that. You don't have that much time now. Okay, totally. Here, no painted cubes will be there or not there? Will be available or not available? Available. Where it is available means inside. Okay, that's why we can also call them as inner central cubes. Inner central cubes. Okay, inside there are available in center part. So here, how many cubes are there? Inner central cubes are. How we are getting that 8? Actually, our cube is of 4 by
4 into
4
4.
by 4 cube. So it becomes
2
2 by 2 by
2.
2. So after getting 2 by 2 by 2, we can say directly answer as 2 cube, that is 8. So otherwise, if you don't know this idea, you have to do in this way. Total, how many cubes are there? Total, how many cubes are there in this?
64.
64. Minus 3 sides painted cubes are
8.
8. Minus 2 side painted cubes are
24.
24. Minus 1 side painted cubes are
24.
24. Now we can get no side painted cubes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If he has asked for only this one, you have to do all these things. If you don't know that point. Simply by removing one layer on every side, we can get the inner central cubes. Yes or no? Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Please respond. If you do,
Yes,
if you
sir.
have any doubt, you can ask me, because we are moving on to questions now with these ideas.
It's no doubt here now.
No
Shall we
doubt, sir.
start the exercise?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now see. A cube is colored red on all faces. Okay. Single color, no problem. Now sometimes he may color in this way also. 1 second. Sometimes he may color like yeah. On top and bottom is colored red. Left and right is colored green. Front and back is colored black. Like this also he may mention. Or sometimes he may mention all laterals are colored with red, 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 and red. And the remaining two, top and bottom, are colored with green, green, and green. It depends on the question. Okay. Coloring pattern is coloring pattern he will mention compulsory. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now see the question. A cube is colored red on all faces and is cut into 64 smaller cubes. By seeing this number, we can say on each side how many cubes will be there?
4, sir.
The
Four
4 into
fingers.
4 into 4 cube.
How to get 64 means 4 by 4 by 4, then we can get 64. So again, whatever we have explained till now, whatever we have seen till now, that is the case only. So now the question is, now answer the following questions. Okay. How many cubes have no face colored? Okay, no face colored. Tell me.
Sir, 8.
Sir, 8.
Yes, how it is 88? 4 by 4 by 4 cube becomes
2 by 2 by 2.
2 by 2 by 2. That's why 2 cube is 8. That's all. And the same data, question is different. Next question, same data, question is different. 64 smaller cubes only, red faces.
24.
Now the question is, how many cubes are there which have only one face colored? So
Sir,
only one face colored are
24.
available in where they are
Four
available?
So
Four.
middle.
On each face,
Middle,
except
sir,
for
middle
the
four.
edges and the corners.
Face cube, sir. 4,
Sir,
4 on
24,
each
sir.
face.
Yes,
The
sir.
face
So
cube,
middle
sir.
of, they are available in the middle of face. Actually, each face is a cube. Sorry. Each face is a square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can I say each face is a square?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So a square of 4 by 4 means actually 4 into 4 cubes are there. But we need only middle part. So middle part consists of 2 by 2. Even here also you can remove layer by layer, 2 layers and 2 layers. It will be 2 by 2. So in one face, how many cubes are there?
So 4. 4
cubes.
into
So
6
4
faces.
into 6 faces. That's why 6 fours are 24. Okay. So actually there are many formulas, but here I have not mentioned any formula, and we are doing just by seeing the diagram or just by visualizing. Okay. Don't depend on formula. Same data. Data is same. A cube is colored red on all faces and it's cut into 64. Okay. And again, it is a 4 by 4 by 4 cube only. Question is, how many cubes have 2 red opposite faces? Tell me.
So half the edge cubes.
Sorry, here options are missing. Option C and option D. 24, and it is none of this. Okay, these are the options. Tell the answer.
The answer is 0.
Okay,
So
anyone?
I think it's 8.
You think it is?
So I guess okay, yeah. So I guess it's none, I guess. I'm
None
not so
means
sure.
what is your actual answer? 18.
I think it's 20.
Sorry,
8.
8. Okay.
Sir, I think it's I guess it's somewhere it's 12, I guess. 12 or 6.
Okay, 12 or 6. Okay. Okay. In smaller cubes, a maximum how many faces are painted? In smaller cubes, maximum how many faces are painted?
So 6.
6, sir.
No. 6 faces painted are 0. Already we mentioned.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See here. 6 faces painted, 5 faces painted, 4 faces painted are 0. Maximum we can face how many faces, sir?
So 3 and 3, 2, 1.
We can paint only
It's
3 faces.
3,
okay,
sir.
sir. Now I understand.
What are the 3 faces? Adjacent or opposite also?
Yes, sir.
Only adjacent.
Opposite. Only
Yeah,
adjacent.
Only
this is-
adjacent.
So 3 faces means these are the 3 faces. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, sir.
So can you face opposite faces for a smaller cubes?
No,
For a
sir.
smaller cube?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, but here the question is the 2 red opposite faces painted.
So the answer is 0 maybe.
0. So they are not available. We cannot paint opposite faces at a time for a smaller cube. If you bring it out and then you can face it around, then completely you can paint it. So otherwise, if without bringing that, without separating it, we cannot paint on all faces. Yes or no?
Sir, I thought it was asking for the whole big cubes, the faces, and
No.
small
Here,
cubes, how many they were painted like that.
here complete question is about smaller cubes only. Maximum 3 faces we can paint, and those 3 faces also adjacent. They can never be opposite. Adjacent only. Okay. Right. Next separate question. I think for this question we have to draw the diagram. Here length, breadth and height are different. Means a given diagram is not a given picture is not a cube. It's a cuboid, but resultant pieces will be cubes. So see how it will be cube. The length, breadth and height of a rectangular piece of wood are 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Opposite sides of 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter piece are colored red. Okay. So here actually I'm drawing the diagram. This one. Okay. Let me draw complete diagram. Okay. Tell what is the highest length? 5 centimeter. Next highest is 4 centimeter.
4.
Least is 3 centimeter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is 3 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter, and it is 4 centimeter. Okay. First, he has mentioned 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter pieces are means the sides are colored red. 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Suppose if I mention here, this is top, under, front, back, left, right. Tell me, he is telling about this 5 centimeter into 4 centimeter means it is of which part? Top or
So front and
right
back.
or left or back?
Front and back, sir.
And back.
Front and back. So because it is 5 and 4, yes, correct. So front and back he has colored with what? Red.
Red color.
The red.
Next is 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. It is 4 and 3.
So left and right.
The
Yes,
right
very
and
good.
left.
Left and right he has colored with the blue. Blue. Next, rest means the remaining 5 and 3. 5 and 3 means top and under. Top and under he
Top
has
and
colored
under.
as
Green.
Green, sir.
Green. Okay. Let us do one thing. Top and under, this is green. placing this. I'll write the color names with that same color. Top and under green. This is green, green, and top also green. Next, front and back red. Take it as red, red, and red. This is back. Left and right blue. This is blue, and now it is blue. Okay, now see. Now the piece of it. Piece is cut into cut in such a way that cubes of 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So now tell me, each piece is a cube or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Now tell me, along, suppose if it is the length, along the length, how many cuttings will be there?
Sir, 4.
So
Four
4
cuttings.
cuttings,
So that 4 cuttings, so that it will form 5 pieces.
5.
5 cubes.
5 pieces of 1 centimeter each. Okay. Along height,
So 3.
3
cuttings.
cuts.
with the 4 pieces of each of
1
1
centimeter.
centimeter.
1
And
centimeter.
along the breadth,
So 2.
2
cuttings.
cuttings with the 3 pieces, each one will be
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. Okay. So even though the bigger one is not a cube, but the resultant pieces are cubes, that is okay. Now here the question is, how many cubes shall have all the 3 colors? So all the 3 colors means they should be available in
The corner cubes.
the corners only,
On
and
cubes.
independent of color combination, we can say directly answer as
8.
Right, sir.
because three colors, three different colors are possible with corners only. In corners only, there is 1 cube on each corner, so total 8 cubes are 8 corners are there. That's why answer is 8. Next question, same data. We'll go to the diagram again. See the read the question first. What is the question? How many cubes shall not have any color? Actually, this is a cube of 5 into 4 into 3. Yes or no? Cuboid.
Yes,
This
sir.
is a cuboid of 5 into 4 into 3. So we need the colors. We need the cubes which have not painted. Means
So the answer is 6.
3 into 2 into 1.
very good. 3 into 2 into 1. So means
6 cubes.
we have to remove two layers. Top one, bottom one, front one, back one, left one, right one. Total will get answer as 3 into 2
6
into 1.
cubes.
It will be 6. So answer is 6. So even the colors are given, but the questions are independent of color combination. Okay, next question. How many cubes shall have only 2 colors, red and green? Okay, as mentioned already, only 2 colors should be there, and only also important, only 2 colors should be there means there should be no third color. There should not be third color. Third color should not be present. And the 2 colors should be painted. 2 sides should be painted with red and green. So actually, red and green are available in
So
red and green.
front, back, top, bottom.
Front and
Top
back
and-
and
top
top and
and
bottom. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Front and back and top and bottom. In combination of these green and red, how many edges are available?
So 4.
4 edges. Okay, let me count. This is 1 edge. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is second edge. I think it is better to use different color. 1 edge, second edge, third edge, and fourth edge. On each edge, how many pieces are there? 1, 2,
Say 2.
3, 4. 4 cuttings means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces are there
Yes,
on
sir.
each
So
edge.
3.
But all the 5 pieces we have to consider, or are there
So
any
only
pieces?
the middle 3.
So only 3 pieces we should consider.
Yeah, these 2 we should not consider these 2 because they are painted with other color also. Blue is also colored. So only red and green means we have to consider these 3 only. Okay. How many edges are there? How many edges we need to consider?
So 4.
4 edges.
4
3 into
edges.
4.
On each edge, considerable cubes are
3.
3. So 4
3.
3s are
12.
12.
12. 12 cubes.
Yes. Okay. Next question. I think this is the last question. Okay. Next question is how many cubes shall have only one color, only one color means he has not mentioned even color name also. So means here we can say only one color, either red or green or blue. We can say in this way, red or green or blue. Anything is okay, but it should be only one color painted. So where they are available, availability places.
In the middle of the face.
So middle of the face, middle of the face, middle of the face. Okay, one face is of 3/4, another face is of 4/5, and another face is of 5/3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, one face is of 3/4 means this side 1, 2, 3 pieces will be there, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pieces will be there. But how many we need to consider here?
Sir, only 2.
Only 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, correct. So we have to remove this layer and we have to remove this layer because they are painted with 3 or 2 different colors, and we have to remove this layer and this layer, and the
We have
remaining
only two,
is
sir.
2. So instead of doing all this process directly, we can do 3/4 will become
1 into 2.
1 into 2. 4/5 becomes
2
2
into
into 3.
2 into 3, and 5/3 becomes
3 into
3
1.
into 1.
3 into 1. So add all these things. So it is 2 plus 6 plus 3.
Plus 3.
Answer
Sir,
is
into 2.
11 cubes.
so into 2. Why into 2? There are
2 of each face.
yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I consider this as a front, so back will be there. So if I consider this as right or left will be there. If we consider this as top, bottom will be there. So actually this is 11. So
Into 2.
answer.
Equal to 22.
22.
Yes, answer 22. Okay. So answer is 22. So all these
Sir, I
things
did
are
not understand this question, sir.
this one.
Yes.
Okay, see.
The fourth question, sir, not this all this challenge.
Here, what is the question?
How many cubes shall have only one color?
Only one color. Where they are available?
Where the
They are available in the
cube.
middle of the face.
Middle of yes, yes, yes. Four,
Okay.
four.
Because all the faces are not equal sizes. So
Yes,
one face is of 5/3. One face is
Yes,
of
sir.
5/4. One face is
4,
of
5/4. 1/3.
That's why I written here 3/4, 3/4, 4/5, and 5/3.
Okay, sir.
So, and I have given illustration for one face also here. And again, I'm explaining here. It's a 3/4 face. Means one side three pieces, and another side 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. But see, out of these 3/4, these 4 are already considered in three size painted. Yes or no? Because they are in corners.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, and these are already considered in 2 side painted. And purely belonging to this face are 2, and these 2
2.
are to be considered as only one color, one face colored. Okay. Got
Yeah,
it,
sir.
Shreyan?
Yes, I got it.
Right. In the same way, 4/5 and 5/3 also. And let me ask one more question. How many cubes are painted with only one color? Sorry, how many paste? Sorry. Question is, how many cubes are colored with the only red? Tell me. How many cubes are colored with only red? Consider this as 5th question. How many cubes are colored with only red? Tell me.
Sir, 4.
So 4.
Overall answer is 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, no, sir. It's 12, sir.
Okay. Here I am writing red cube size is 5 by 4 or 3 by 4 or 4 by 3?
5 into 4.
5 into 4. Green is
4 into 3.
4 into 3. No, your
No,
choice.
sir. No, sir. It's 5 into 3. Sorry, sir.
Yes, 5 into 3.
The timer.
Okay. We'll wind up this session. 5 into 3. This is the last question. And one more is red. Sorry, red is okay. And blue is
4 into 3.
4 into 3. So here my question is red. Yes or no? So this is not red actually. Here the question is only red. Only red means no other color should touch the cube. No other color should touch the cube other than red. Yes or no?
Sir, 6.
Sir, it's 12.
So then it will be face cubes, right? Like two in
Only face cube. So actually this is a 5 by 4 cube. Sorry, 5 by 4 facer. 5 by 4 facer. But out of this 5 by 4 facer, if you remove one layer on each side, it will be 3 by 2. Yes or no? 3 by
Yes,
2
sir, it'll be 12.
means it will be 6, sir. 6 on each side.
Yes, sir. 6 into 2,
How
12.
many sides, sir?
2 sides.
Yeah, 2
12.
sides, sir. It will be 12. Answer is 12. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do some practice with this.
Yes, sir.
And
I did.
any class, if you have not understood, please go through videos again. Okay. Even though if you are unable to understand, you can ask me in the next class.
Okay, sir. Sir, next class is on Wednesday, right?
Next class, I think we'll start with Wednesday. We'll start with the calendar.
Okay, sir. I need.
Interesting topic.
Means I lose marks, sir,
Alright.
in one exam.